this morning and I'm up and we need to go for breakfast. I'll show you the balcony view before I go. Do you know what's weird is in December it was a lot warmer and like this is really cold. Breakfast, beans, Spanish bacon, vegetable scrambled egg, roasted peppers, churros and peppers, don't know, sausage, hash brown, egg toppings, sauces, eggs, poached eggs, sunny side egg benedict, not sure, mushrooms, tomatoes, not sure, courgettes, Nutella, waffles, churros, pancakes, sauces and chocolate toppings. Oh, they've got those nice sprinkles out today. Chocolate, maple syrup, I can't remember what that was, cream, beans, bacon, scrambled egg, looks like onions on some, I don't know, sausage, Spanish omelette, some sausage, pastry, toasties, milk, cereals, porridge, chocolate. Why does the chocolate always look a bit on the low side? And it's like, only just opened this for breakfast. Cereals, dried milk, roasted apples, pears of lime, chocolate banana, apple crepes, gluten-free stuff, cereals, bagels, cheeses, dates and raisins and crackers, meats, crackers, olives, not sure what that is, meats, different milks, strawberry juice, detox juice, carrot and orange juice, fruit, not sure what kind of beer that is, vanilla milkshake, strawberry milkshake, nuts and seeds, yogurts and fruit, apricots, dates, don't know, yogurt and fruit, nuts and seeds, salts, fish, olives, some sort of spreads, sauces, salads, sauces, pastries and donuts, muffins, chocolate, waffles, pancakes, fruit, chicken nuggets, sausage, something like that, battered broccoli, carrots and sweet corn, potatoes, jelly, desserts, and the best, the donuts. Breads and rolls, sauces, rolls, sauce, butter, sauces, breads, rolls, sauces, rolls, sauce, butter and sauces. I got toast with strawberry jam, and a milk. And what have you got?
Mushroom, scrambled egg, fried egg, potato, sausage.
And what's going on here?
Healthy, yogurt, mandarins and fruit.
Healthy eating, so you think. Then the drink comes later. Wait, where is your drink?
They didn't have any mango juice.
I've got sunny side egg, sausages and Spanish bacon, a brick solid, strawberry yogurt and sweet topping. a waffle with chocolate sauce and white chocolates, but they're quick at taking all the cutlery away, so I've got no knife to can spread it. I'll just take this spoon. Spread it with a spoon instead. And there you have it. And San Blas. And we've got to get some hamburgers. And look at them. Get them. I might get them. I'll take the whole shelf of that. I'll get them. Hello.
Did you need bath?
That's fine. I went to these shops and got some Palm Bear tomato crisp, some Lay's tomato crisp, and some Spanish sweets. I'm laughing, right? My mum's up there, she goes, somebody's got her sunbeds. You turn round and there's her husband sitting on the sunbed over there.
You must expect so.
She said somebody's got her sunbed and it's you sitting on it.
Christopher, para unos helados. No, ¿qué te pasa?
Got a chicken burger. Gracias. And strawberry slush. Got cook. Lunchtime. peppers and garlic. I don't know what that is. Pumpkin, I think. Pork. Cabbage. Wrinkled potatoes. Cauliflower. Carrots. Meat sauces. Toppings for your pasta. And cheese. Sausage for the pasta. And pasta, spaghetti. Paella. Tacos and Mexican food. It's empty. Cheese and tomatoes, onions, hot dogs, burger rolls, hot dog rolls, different things for the burgers and that, sauces, stewed beef, butter broccoli, sausages, turkey, apricot, chips, fish. Very nice fish. It's all fish. Chips.
Thank you.
Whatever that is.
Maybe 1, 2.
Pizza. Sausage. Soup. Rolls. Sauces. Salads. Eggs. Meat. Salt, more salad, cucumber, and that's ice cream cones, chocolate and sweets. Cakes and desserts. More cakes and desserts. Biscuits. More cakes and desserts. Not there. Carrot juice, cucumber juice maybe. More veg. Soup. Rice. Fish. Chicken. Pasta. Fish ring. Peas. Chicken nuggets. Fish. Ice cream cones and ice cream. Chocolate sandwiches. Donuts. Cakes and desserts. Meats and cheeses. More meats and cheeses. Olives, dates, apricots, butter, rolls, olive oil, rolls, rolls. Lunch, I got some stir-fried veg and meat. I don't know what kind of the meat is because I don't understand the labels. And Coke. And what a mess is going on there. Cheeses and meats. I got some dessert thing. Someone I know messaged saying they're doing a film along the street. So I'm going to go along and have a look. And it's raining. Filming. Look at these old cars. STV. I think they're filming in that hotel.
Ahora lo único que voy a poner tiene aquí el nuevo barato.
STV van. STV Canaries. Got a Coke. Guess which one's mine? Oh wait, it's a cold chocolate. And they've got the beer and the wine.
It's hot.
It is pouring outside. Look at the rain. Let's go out and see the Tenerife rain. Feel the rain. Tenerife rain. Oh my god. Feel the Tenerife rain. Oh my god, it's pouring. It's actually quite nice. Oh my god, it's pouring and I'm in my shorts and t-shirt. It's different from Scottish rain. You can see all the rain landing in the pool. Oh my god, look at that worker, he's got a flat bag on him. Oh my god. He's got... That's so funny. There's a plane coming into land. Did you realise it's pouring?
Mira, ¿viste? Esta.
Remember to bring my hot brush this time. So it'll quickly dry my hair quicker. There's a plane coming. Yous people missed the rain earlier. It's jet 2. I'm dressed for the evening. And there's a plane coming. I've got white top, purple trousers and trainers on. And you can see the castle. And we're going for Japanese tonight. So let's go. prawn crackers and sauces.
Enjoy.
Thanks, gracias. So we got some sushi and street food stuff, and I've got a Coke. She's on the vine. Sushi. I love sushi. These are ribs and rice. Oh my god, this looks like loads. How am I supposed to manage that? That's loads. And then look at all the rice. Have you got mochi? Because last time you didn't have it.
We don't have any more mochis in the restaurant.
Ah, no mochi.
Rice pudding after.
No mochi. This is a disappointment now. No mochi in December. I've got no mochi now. But it's on the menu. Mochi. And I've not got it. So what do I have? I mean, I had those like chocolate pancakes last time, but they just didn't quite match up to it. No wait, it was the one actually. I don't know what to have. I've got caramel custard. This hotel, they really love this little white and chocolate thing. It's literally, they shove it in everything. What am I supposed to eat with? This little spoon? Oh my god, it's like a baby spoon. And I've got a fortune cookie. Let's see what my fortune is this time. Believe that you can make it. Can you make it like a fruit drink, like a fruit?
Something fruity, cocktail.
Yeah, some staff saying they can't do it, but this Miguel guy, right? He used to be good at it, but I've tried asking staff, and some of them are like, no, we can't do it.
Okay.
Like a fruit,
sunrise.
but not too, like not the alcohol taste.
You don't want alcohol.
No, I want, I want alcohol, but not like.
Okay.
TV, just teetotal almost. Doesn't take after our dad.
That's a good thing.
Like this guy McGill or whatever his name was, he used to be good at it, but I've tried asking other staff and they're just like, no, we can't do it, only from the menu.
Okay.
So just since then, I just always get the cold chocolate and vodka, but then sometimes the staff have made a hot chocolate and I'm like, that's not what I want.
No. I'll make you something nice now. Something fruity. Okay.
Le digo que coja comando, si quiere pasar yo estoy con la comanda, quita tú la cola.
just asked the Irish barman to make me a drink and not too much alcohol. So let's try.
Yeah, we're sitting down there. No problem here.
So nice, this one's good. Castle show started. It's only 9 at night and my parents are struggling to stay awake with us 7 AM getting up. I think I'm going to go back out again. This is too early for me. This is not like party mood. Come on, we've got a party. But then we don't really have a balcony view. Well, it's alright, you know. Nothing amazing. This walk is so far away. I feel like I'm quicker to walk to Tenerife Airport. I could walk to Tenerife Airport and back, but by the time I'm walking around this hotel, it's too far. Here we are. Take a Coke. What's on my food? I want to go back out. Coke. Cheers.